Hello, everyone. Welcome to our week 26 speaking practice. Today, our topic is general knowledge and academic content, and we'll practice answering 3 prompts to help you prepare for your speaking test. Remember to speak clearly, restate the question, and use complete sentences with details to share your ideas. Let's get started. Our first speaker today is Andy. He will help us with prompt 1. Explain the theory of plate tectonics and how it relates to natural disasters like earthquakes.
The theory of plate tectonics explains that Earth's crust is divided into large plates that float on the semi-fluid mantle beneath, moving slowly over time. These plates interact at boundaries where they can collide, pull apart, or slide past each other, causing natural disasters like earthquakes. For example, when 2 plates grind together in a fault line, like the Seattle fault zone, the stress can release as an earthquake. It helps us understand why earthquakes occur in certain regions and predict potential risks.
Clear and informative, Andy. Thank you for that explanation. Now, let's hear from Isabella for prompt 2. Discuss the significance of the Renaissance. How did it impact art, science, and society?
The Renaissance, a cultural movement from the 14th to 17th centuries, was significant because it revived interest in classical learning, sparking advancements in art, science, and society. In art, figures like Leonardo da Vinci created realistic masterpieces like the Mona Lisa, using techniques like perspective. In science, thinkers like Galileo questioned old beliefs, laying the groundwork for modern astronomy. For society, the printing press spread knowledge, increasing literacy and ideas of individualism. The Renaissance transformed how people viewed the world, fostering creativity and progress.
Wonderful overview, Isabella. Your examples really highlight the Renaissance's impact. Now, let's hear from Sylvia for our final prompt of the day. Prompt 3. Describe a mathematical concept you find fascinating or challenging, like the Fibonacci sequence.
I find the Fibonacci sequence fascinating because it's a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the 2 before it, starting with 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and so on. What's amazing is how it appears in nature, like the spiral patterns in sunflowers or pine cones, which makes math feel alive. For example, I noticed the sequence while counting the spirals on a seashell, which was mind-blowing. It's challenging to calculate larger numbers, but its connection to the world makes it exciting to explore.
Engaging response, Sylvia. Thank you, Andy, Isabella, and Sylvia, for your insightful and enthusiastic answers. And thank you for joining our practice today. To excel in your speaking test or conversations, focus on speaking clearly, adding relevant details, and expressing your ideas confidently. Keep practicing these prompts and you'll be well prepared for your test. Great job! Now it's your turn to record. Question 1. Explain the theory of plate tectonics and how it relates to natural disasters like earthquakes. Question 2. Discuss the significance of the Renaissance. How did it impact art, science, and society? Question 3. Describe a mathematical concept you find fascinating or challenging, like the Fibonacci sequence. See you next week!